Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're into Huck's World, where are my retro people at? My old school people, the guys who were out there playing the arcade games back in the day. Listen, this video is for you now. I believe everyone needs a fun watch face in their lineup, and this one could be it. Now, the name of the watch face is called Galaxy or Watch. It's free for the taking in the Game Manager store. You know how the story goes. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice time so far as your always on display is concerned. But listen, we want to focus on this watch face when it's on, because it is definitely nice. I like what the developer did with this watch face and what he brought to the table. Now, looking at it right, it looks just like the game. The animation isn't bad at all. You get your digital time down at the bottom with animated seconds. You are going to get where it says credit down at the bottom. That's going to be your battery percentage, and then you get the aliens up at the top along with the spaceship that's going across. Now, you got that background that you would see on the actual game. Again, the details, I got to get this guy 7 thumbs up in the door for the creativity of this watch face. But check it out, it has some customization to it, right? I'm going to double tap. So now if I want this to be 24 hours, I can change it to 24 hours. I can change the style. I pretty much like the original better. You can change the type, right? You want more time, you can keep your time in big bold numbers, which isn't bad. Let me change this back to 12 hours because I like 12. And we're going to put it back on this one. Also, you can change your font as well. So I like what the developer did. I'm going to say this guy did an awesome job on this watch face, but the question is, at the end of the day, people, what did you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? In my opinion, I say it's a download. This is definitely going to be a conversation starter. And with that being said, listen, don't leave before you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day and or night.